Isuzu 12PD is the year 1993 from Adpre Corporation. Right from there is the black self-loader. Right from is the Isuzu 12PD. Right from there is the Tadano self-loader. Right from there is the Isuzu. Good time there is the year 1993. Right problem. Good time there is the Isuzu. Okay, no problem. There is the black self-loader. Right problem. There is the good time. There is the Tadano self-loader year 1993. Isuzu 12PD. Right problem. Good time. There is the black Isuzu black self-loader. Right problem. There is the Isuzu. Good time. There is the Isuzu 12PD. Right problem. There is the good time. There is the Isuzu. Right problem. No time. No choice. Isuzu is the black Isuzu 12PD. Right around there is the 12PD. Right problem. Good time. Isuzu 12PD1. Right problem. There is the Isuzu. Right problem. There is the Isuzu. Good time. There is the Isuzu 12PD. Right problem. There is the Isuzu. It's the year 1993. No problem. There is the Isuzu. Problem. From condition 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go.